Man, check out this awesome Shiatsu Foot Massager. One of the greatest features of it is that it actually comes with heat. And for somebody like me who has constantly cold feet, it makes a huge difference. It has something like four simulated hands, has rollers, and even 96 nodes that replicate like a professional massage technique, like kneading, scraping, rolling, and shiatsu. I'm not sure I would agree that it feels like an actual person massaging my feet, but what I can tell you is that it feels fantastic. It has three intensity levels and an adjustable timer that'll go from 5 minutes all the way up to 30 minutes. So if you need a little time or a lot time, it'll go ahead and just run the timer for you, which is fantastic. It also will fit up to size 13 feet because it is an open-ended design. Super unique thing about it that I've not seen on many foot massagers is that it's not just a foot massager. As you're seeing in these videos, I tried it on my feet, tried it on my legs. You can even do it on your arms, your forearms, your upper arms. And that handle is meant to help with the different positions that you can put it in. And it also acts as a carrying handle. I was shocked by how easy it was to use, and moreover, how great my feet felt and my arms when I was done using it. It really is like nothing I've ever tried before. Thank you so much to the brand for sending it over.